it's me once again. So here we go. I just put a little bit of wax. You know, a big part of having a hair system look natural is the fact that you need to style it. Okay, you gotta understand. And when we talk about styling, we talk about basically just giving this thing a little life, because it is dead hair. You need to understand that this thing is not growing from your own body, from your own scalp. So you gotta give it life. Okay, and how do you give it life? You use the whatever's available in your local markets. For us, we just use a product from Swashcoff. It's a leave-in conditioner. I'm not really sponsored by anybody, or I'm not trying to promote Swashcoff or any other brand like that. I'm just telling you what I use. And then just like a local wax. Also, we're not sponsored by this wax or anything. It's just called Gatsby. Most of our clients use it. But yeah, bringing it back to the hair, you just gotta make this thing look natural by styling it. So if you don't style your hair, not gonna look natural. Okay, so simple. This is the sides, this is the other sides. And yeah, you know, once again, that's it. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Once again, my name is Elton. I'm the owner of Worldwide Hair Hub. I'm out in Bangalore in India. And please like, follow, and subscribe. Peace.